Hey, hey, hey! Welcome everyone. This is Drippy, and this is Drippy Worse, and I am your source of options drip almost on a daily basis on Twitter, YouTube, and here we talk about some of the most exciting setups based on the options flow, technical analysis, pattern analysis, macroeconomic events, and current market structure. So if you want to make some tendies, stick around. My goal is for all of you to achieve financial freedom and create life-changing wealth. On the screen, I have my YouTube channel, which I've been running since last year around September, October. And so far, the response has been really positive, and that's why I'm continuing this journey and hopefully try to educate and create more traders like me, better than me, hopefully. So, let's see how far we can take this channel. If you could like and subscribe, that would be amazing. Please note that I'm not a financial advisor. The stuff I share here are my opinions only, and I may be in some of these positions, and manage your risk and take profits. Um, so without further ado, today I want to talk about three setups I'm watching, for the upcoming week. And these are based on options flow. I use unusual whales for options flow data. And, if you're interested in checking out the unusual whales, let me know. I can give you a coupon code. I can link it. It's right up, like right here. Discount code Drippy too hard. So first setup I want to talk about is Uber. Now, if you look at Uber here, sorry about that. Let me change this to Uber. So if you look at Uber here, we have $45 calls for 215 days, and then we have some 96 days expiration, 5 days. We have some puts. So, it's kind of bullish here. If you look, there's big money floor orders. They're selling puts and buying calls, and these are way out of money calls. And if you look at the overall premium here, it's like almost 80% bullish. And you can see the strike price is being targeted 20th of May 2022, and then 16th 9, which is basically a little bit later in the year. So these are definitely longer term swing plays. And the strikes being targeted is $40. And I think this is just a spread. So 27.5, they're probably, selling 27.5 puts, and that's why it's bullish premium. So definitely watching Uber. Let's look at the chart for Uber here real quick. Uber had good earnings, profitable year for them. Profitable quarter for them. And it's in the falling wedge here. You can see it clearly. Like it's a falling wedge setup. It's been setting up for a long time, and now it's basically at this support area. Its previous demand zone, and this might be a trend line support. Now the sell-off was really aggressive, so ideally I would like it to consolidate here for maybe, it can either retrace hard from here or maybe consolidate here for a couple of days and then move up. Ideally, if it consolidates, IV is a little bit low, and then we can get into some swing positions. We have to monitor the market. Right now the market doesn't look healthy, so be careful with the calls. Okay, let's keep this play this by ear until the market reverses. But I'm watching Uber for sure. And next one I want to talk about is super interesting play, actually, is SBSW. And look at this premium here for this buy to open order at 3 o'clock on Friday. $20 call expiring in 33 days. Perfect for us. Out of money. Right now the stock is at 16.2. Big premium. Everything looking great. And let's look at the chart for SBSW. And this is it. Voila, the chart looks amazing. It broke out of this falling wedge kind of pattern here. It was in consolidation for a while here, or you can draw this like this. either way, whatever, it's either a break of bull flag or pennant. It broke above that on daily with a strong volume. So if it pulls back here, that's why I had this trade here, is if it pulls back to around $16, I'll be looking to buy the dip. And if it breaks above this area, above 16.55, around 16.6 actually, if it breaks above that, I'll be interested in swinging this for 17.5 and $20 put, sorry, $20 call. And I might join this guy here for $20. And if reduce the premium to like 5,000, and you can see there's more sweeps coming in, and so cheap as well. 33 days expiration, there's 5 days expiration as well. So maybe there's some new spending here. Of course, this is energy minerals, non-energy minerals. The sector is hot right now because of the whole Russia situation. So MACD just curled up. RSI looking good. It's in a squeeze. So really good setup here for long. I like the setup, and I think, in my opinion, it's worth risking. You can get out below this area. If you buy 33 days out, you're looking at 20% loss here, and potentially making like 100 to 200%. So that's 5 to 1 risk reward. I like it. And depending on how it breaks out, it might even be a 500% runner. It just depends on how the market is. So definitely, and we have OPEX fee coming up, so we'll have more volatility in the market as well. Another one I want to talk about, the last one for today, is going to be VRT. And we have super bearish flow for VRT here. The premium is greater than 5,000. You can even look here that they're buying puts here, and this is not even a spread. They're just buying 20 and 17.5 put here. And if you look here clearly here, that the spread is wide, and even then they're buying at 0.5, 0.53. So basically playing around the ask. That's what I like. And even look here, 17.5, the bid was 0. So these are buy to open orders, and looking really good for a short setup. And also looking at the chart for VRT here, you can see clearly that we are in a downtrend on the weekly chart. It failed to create a higher high here. We have momentum to the negative side. It created a lower low, and if you look here, the sell-off was really aggressive the other day. It sliced through this support trend line in one day. It's below these support below this support area right here. So right here, so I think my target is like 19.5 before the earnings. I think this might be sell-off because of the earnings. And if you look at the monthly chart, it's below these EMAs. So definitely a short setup here. And if you look at from a Fibonacci perspective as well, if you look at the Fib retracement from the COVID low candle closing to this area right here, you can see that got rejected right here at this Fib level around this area, 23.35, and it closed below this as well. So, and the target here is this one around 20.2. So so far, all the technicals kind of hint towards a sell-off. It's also a bear channel breakout, you can call it that way. Bear channel breakout has expected move off. For example, right here, we'll have expected move of around the size of this, half the size of this. So this is here. Probably this would probably be a good expected move for me. So around $18 as well. So my target is even like a little bit more safer here. It's $19-20. And if you look at the premium here, these are $20 puts. Looking at the chart, super bearish, $20 puts, and these are for 18th of March, which is basically in 33 days. So I really like these three setups. We have Uber for a little bit longer term, but VRT and SBSW look really good. One long, one short. Again, if you wanna sign up for unusual whales, you can use this coupon code here, Drippy too hard, and you'll get discount. And it's really amazing tool for finding swing plays, intraday plays, everything. So make sure you hit that login and sign up unusual whales. And also please make sure that you um, like and subscribe to my channel. If you like the content, appreciate it. Have a good night, everyone. Love you all. Bye.